Hello drone lovers, KM here. Welcome to my channel. Today this is a day that I'm going to change the receiver from a RSSR to a Happy Model brand, Happy Model Express ELRS. So this is configured using F port. Okay, and there's only 3 wires. I have to think of a way how to replace the receiver with the Happy Model version. And this is the receiver from Happy Model that I will be replacing. So I can choose 2 types of antenna. So I need to replace it underneath here. Okay, and then the antenna, I might just put it here. Or I don't know whether I can reach back here. I don't think so. It's too short. So I might just put it in front. Just one. Okay, let's start the modification. Okay, I've done the receiver. See, I put it in such a way that it's the same color as the DJI. So gray and white. Gray is the receiver that goes to the transmitter. Sorry, the white is the receiver that goes to transmitter, and the gray is the transmitter that goes to receiver. Okay, now I'm in Wi-Fi mode. I've connected, powered up by the SC. So I will now connect to my phone, and I've already updated the firmware file into my phone from the computer. Okay, now it's in Wi-Fi mode. I've already updated the version to 3.3.0. So now let's test with the receiver. Okay, now the drone is connected to the PC. Okay, and then I have also connected the drone, set the drone's profile to CC5 Express ELRS. And now I can find, okay, because previously it was on F port, so I have to re-download the firmware and install Crossfire. Okay, and now you can see the sticks are working. Okay, beautiful. Now to put the drone back and then test it again. Okay, the final takeoff weight for this quad with battery and props on. Let's see. $655. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. And I don't even have a GoPro yet. But anyway, this is a big battery, 1400 6S battery. So expected to be that heavy. Okay, let's take it for a flight, I mean. Okay, now I put everything in. Everything seems to be working. Let me check. I've already connected to my transmitter. And let's go to receivers. Throttle, yes. Yaw, yes. Pitch and roll. And also calibrated the RX range. You can see everything is from 1000. Throttle is 1000 to 2000. Yaw is also 1000 to 2000. Pitch is 1000 to 2000, and roll is also 1000 to 2000. Yes, and that is done using your RX range CLI command. Okay, so the next thing to do for this drone, okay, is to do the tuning. So left with the PDB basement tuning. Everything is set up for Express ELRS. This drone has already been completed. I have already configured WTF OS on this DJI Air unit, and the next thing I did today was to update to the Happy Model Express ELRS receiver, so that I can control it and you'll be able to not feel safe on the field as compared to the FreeSky RXSR, which always feels safe on me. And of course, the next thing I can do is to do the tuning. After the PDB tuning, then this guy should fly very well. I like about this frame, what I like is because look at the frame, look at the protection. It has metal all over to protect the camera, and it comes out so that you don't have any props in view. And of course, this is a one-piece frame, and vibrations could be slightly more for one-piece frame, but we'll see about it when we start tuning. Okay, good. Thanks for coming and view this video. I hope you like it. Do give it a thumbs up, and if you like, so just click on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so that you can receive more of my videos. Okay, I'll end with a test flight for this quad. Enjoy. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay, so this is the CC5 and I'm going to try ripping it now. After doing the PID Toolbox Tuned last night, so this is the best tune I can get. So first time trying out in real world. Let's plug it in.
10 milliwatts.
Okay.
Sensor lost.
A photo of us. Yeah, there was him. Yeah.
At the traffic lights?
Yeah, he took a photo of us.
Okay, let's fly this bugger.
Vario off. Vario on. 10 milliwatts. Flight mode idle up 1. Armed.
Here we go. Maiden flight. Let's
Sensor lost.
move around a bit. This is my rates and my tune. Can you see on the right side of my screen? I've labeled it as my tune, and this is the PDB tune.
2 high. 25
Split S.
milliwatts.
No prop wash at all.
Two high. LQ.
Okay, I'm going up into the open
72%.
spaces.
Sensor lost. LQ.
Not flying over people.
48%. Sensor lost.
You can see very clearly if there's anyone walking on the field. That's the good thing about wide angle goggles,
Sensor lost.
4x3. You see almost everything. Oh, I got low signal on channel 1.
25 milliwatts.
Okay, let's.
2 high.
Oh. Okay,
25 milliwatts.
let's do a back
2 high.
reverse. Reverse and move backwards, fly backwards, and then
25
flip up.
milliwatts.
Woo! And back again. Okay, we're gonna do a
2
split S
high.
and go into narrow spaces.
25 milliwatts. 2 high.
Okay,
Sensor lost. 25 milliwatts. Sensor lost. 2 high.
see, no prop wash at all.
Sensor lost. 25
No prop
milliwatts.
wash.
Sensor lost.
Let's do a power loop.
25 milliwatts. 2 high. LQ 56%.
Nice power loop. Battery sack to 21.3 volts. Let's do a
21.2 volts.
Okay, time to be back.
25 milliwatts.
Switch off air mode to land.
21.5 volts.
Oh, yeah.
Sensor loss. Engine off.
Okay, that was a good flight.
Off. Disarm. Sensor lost.
And here is the CC5 with happy model receiver. No more fail saving. Okay, let me unplug first. Okay, so that was a good flight, even though there were people in the field. Well, you have Ledo here and his friend, and that's Marcus chatting with them. Hi Ledo, nice to meet you here. So hopefully you can visit my channel, and hopefully you click on the subscribe button and and can also enable the notification bell so that you can receive more of my videos. Goodbye, have a nice day.